Frankincense serrata is a longtime favorite of essential oil users, and for good reason. Frankincense serrata promotes clear breathing, quiets the brain from chaotic thoughts, and is great for meditation. It is also a great choice for reducing discomfort and the perception of pain due to overexertion or aging joints. Also, if you have been looking for an essential oil to use for skin concerns, then frankincense serrata is a great option. For me, the best uses for frankincense serrata include 1. Diffused. I will add a few drops into my AromaFuse diffuser after a long day of work or chasing the kids to help me unwind and relax my mind. Another way to use this essential oil is in an inhaler during times of sniffles or feeling congested. It is super easy. I take my personal inhaler and add equal drops of frankincense serrata, fir needle, or spruce and inhale as needed. And the third way I like to use frankincense serrata is by adding it to my favorite skincare products. After I have washed my face, I add a drop or two to my moisturizer for the added benefits and to help with my overall skin appearance. If you want to enjoy the calming effects of frankincense serrata, but you don't have a diffuser, here is a simple mind-clearing blend recipe. For this recipe, you will need 1 ounce of carrier oil. I like to use fractionated coconut oil or one of Plant Therapy's carrier oil blends, 8 drops of frankincense serrata, 8 drops of bergamot, and 1 drop of vetiver. Simply mix everything together. And then you're going to apply a small amount to the palm of your hands. Bring your hands up to your face and inhale deeply. Then massage onto the back of the neck area. With these simple uses and benefits, you can see why frankincense serrata is so beloved by many essential oil users, including myself. Whether you are new to oils or experienced, this is definitely an essential oil you must have.